Doctrine number 2. Ultra Vires. 1. Introduction. The doctrine of ultra vires is a cornerstone of administrative and constitutional law, ensuring that every authority or body acts strictly within the powers granted to it by law. It embodies the principle of limited government and serves as a major check on executive and legislative excess. Historical background. The phrase ultra vires originates from Roman law where acts done beyond authority were considered null and void. The doctrine was systematically developed in England during the 19th century, particularly in the field of company law and administrative law. It became prominent through the House of Lords' decision in Ashbury Railway Carriage and Iron Co. V. Ritchie, 1875, LR 7 HL 653, where a company's act outside its memorandum of association was declared void. Later, the concept evolved in public law through judicial review cases such as Attorney General versus Fulham Corporation, 1921 1ch 440, where the court struck down a local authority's action beyond its statutory powers. In Pakistan, the doctrine was inherited through British legal tradition and was strengthened by the Constitution of 1973, which enshrines judicial review and constitutional supremacy. Definition. Latin meaning, beyond one's powers. Legal definition. An act is ultra vires when it is beyond the legal power or jurisdiction conferred upon a person, corporation, or public authority. Case reference, Pakistan Anis Minhas vs. Government of Pakistan, PLD 1996 SC 133, administrative actions without lawful authority were declared ultra vires and void. Application in law. Used to invalidate administrative or legislative acts exceeding statutory or constitutional authority. Any action ultra vires is void ab initio, void from the beginning. Serves as a tool of judicial review under Articles 184, 3, and 199 of the Constitution. Role in Pakistan's legal system. Ensures that all organs of government act within their constitutional limits. The superior judiciary uses it to strike down unconstitutional laws and executive excesses. Example: Federation of Pakistan vs. Etzaz Ehsan, PLD 1989 SC 61, executive orders found beyond legal authority were declared ultra vires the Constitution. Functions and importance. Function explanation. Judicial control prevents abuse of power by state organs. Constitutional supremacy upholds the Constitution as the highest law. Accountability keeps government actions within legal boundaries. Public protection protects citizens from illegal administrative decisions. Conclusion. The doctrine of ultra vires evolved from Roman to English law and became a pillar of modern constitutional governance. In Pakistan, it safeguards the rule of law and ensures that no one is above the Constitution.